in 20 minutes. You have to wear your shoes, socks, your coat, your under this thing, that thing, otherwise you can't get out. And you start from one place, reaching another place, you'll find it is raining heavily, you have nothing, you get drenched. But this is not so in India. It's so balanced that when you come, all of you come in winter time, you have seen it. It doesn't rain suddenly. It doesn't happen like that at a wrong time. You can stay outside as long as you want. So these people could live in the jungles. In the sense, we didn't have so much idea of comfort at all. In a simple little hut, they could live. Little protection from the sun and protection from the rain for rainy season. That's all. And they had very little needs of life. We didn't use plastics. I mean, there were no plastics that time, or even now, we don't use plastics. And we used to have few thalis and things. In a small family also, they'll have just thalis, which were just permanently with the family. Now I find that such a difference there is. You see, in simple living, what happens that you do not take out all the wealth from the Mother Earth. There's no ecological problem. But by having, as you were saying, so many glasses for this, so many glasses for that, all this kind of thing that you produce has no aesthetic value and has no durability. So then you have mountains and mountains of these huge big plastics which cannot be burned, which cannot be thrown away. If you throw away in the sea, it floats, and such problems are there. So this Shakti that was working in those days was in them to make them seekers. Because they didn't have to do anything else, It's all right, you have food to eat, you have place to sleep, finished. Not much to be done. Living so happily. With all these comforts in the way that so little a demand on your time. They had time, lot of time. And with that time, what did they do? They didn't go, for a swimming or ballroom dancing or nothing of the kind. With that time, they meditated. And when that time meditation started, then they started realizing what is the divine power, what is divinity, what is God. For example, I'll tell you, here people discuss even the private life of Christ and see all kinds of things. I mean, it's impossible in India, nobody does that. Never comes to their head that how Krishna had 16,000 wives. Must be some reason. He's God after all. God is God. You are a human being. How can you know about God? Because you have come through Him. They don't discuss such nonsensical things. Must be that. And now when I told them these are His power, 16,000, yes it is. Then the 5 wives were 5 elements, yes. They are God. Nobody discusses these things. God is, how can you understand God? Can you understand me? You can't. Try. Can't understand. Very difficult. So you can't understand. You can't understand God. Please understand one thing, that to understand God is an impossibility. But you can be in connection with God, you can be in the company of God, you can be blessed by God, you can be looked after by God, you can know lots of things about God, but you cannot understand. This is another thing one has to know, that you cannot understand why God does these things, why He does this, why He does that. You cannot understand, you cannot explain. I mean, somebody can even say here, why did He make swastika? Then why did He make Omkara? I mean, here the people are so arrogant that they can even ask God, why did you exist? They can go to that limit, There's nothing surprising. So this arrogance, this ego has blinded us from God. We think no end of ourselves, we are very self-opinionated, and we do not know much about it. So this power, this Shakti, is the one which has given self-realization, will also give you God realization. But still, you will not understand God. You have to go above God to understand. How will you understand? Supposing there's something below you, you can understand. But something above you, how will you understand? Supposing somebody is down below in Kabela and wants to understand about my house, will he understand? He has to go above the Kabela to see my house. So the source from which we have come, we cannot understand. We cannot judge. We cannot say why. That is God's wish, God's desire, whatever it is. So what we have to say, whatever His wish, we'll be happy with that. And the power that is within you is Amba, is the desired power of God itself. So whatever your wish is means that His wish is that you should enter into His kingdom. Now you enter into the kingdom of God. Then the Shakti makes you sit on different beautiful positions, and some are sitting in the heart of God, some are sitting in the Sastrara of God, in the kingdom of God. Now you should assume your power. And Navratri now, you should understand that it has now crossed the limit, and now we are on the 10th position, where you must assume. I've told you many times, now believe that you are Sajukas. Believe that you have entered into the kingdom of God. You cannot judge God. You cannot say, why she does that, why she does that, why he does that. You cannot say that. That's different. But when you sit there, then it is not an assembly. It is not like a politician fighting. No. It is that you have entered into the kingdom of God, blessed by God, looked after, protected, nourished, and made knowledgeable. But still this arrogance has to go down, that we can understand why it happens. That humility is very important for us. Otherwise, this power cannot take you beyond. Now, as it is, it has crossed the Sahasrara. Now, this power has to go higher and higher. For that, first you should be humble. Humble doesn't mean that it should be something artificial humility of a businessman or a politician. It is a humbleness is within your heart. That, oh God, we don't want to understand you, you are too great. But let us know ourselves. And then you will be amazed that He has made you like His own image. That means He has given you all the powers. He has made you. When He has made you, you cannot make Him. He is the source. You cannot make Him. He has made you in His own image. Now, what you can do is to make others in His image. These powers are with you. But the first thing, you have to have the discipline within yourself. That is missing. People cannot discipline themselves, means if they cannot control themselves, how can they control anyone? No discipline means you cannot control yourself. Now the discipline should be that first you must see that you control yourself. Because now you are in the kingdom of God. Have you seen a film called Mr. Bean, where they show a stupid man, you see? So, what happens that when you are now come to the court of the goddess, when you have entered into the kingdom of God, you are made to sit on your throne in a dignified way. But you start behaving like Mr. Bean. You don't know how to sit on your seat. You want to sit on the sides. You want to sit on the wall or do all kinds of things. There's no discipline. You have to have the discipline. Where are you sitting? You are sitting in the kingdom of God. So you should have that dignity, you should have that affection, you should have that compassion, you must have that love and the dedication. But if it is not there, then this power is useless, because you are the vehicle of that power. Supposing I have to take water, I have to have glass which is emptied inside. If it is already full with ego, what can you put inside that? Or if it is a stone, you can't drink water out of that. You will have to dig in the space for putting the water. So if you are already filled with your own ideas, with your own conveniences, with your own progress, or whatever it is, only that, then you cannot rise very high. You have to surrender fully, to say that, Mother, whatever is your desire, that we do not want to have any our individual desire. Then the desire of God will work. You want Kundalini to work for you, which is the desire of God, not your desire, which is independent of your desire, but is the one which will fulfill your complete so-called desires without even your knowledge. Miracles after miracles will happen. So many miracles that now we do not know how to compile the book even on miracles. But these miracles are coming to you because you are realized souls. So attention should be all right. You must see and introspect yourself. I am sitting in the kingdom of God. Now what is my situation? Is it worth it? Am I worth it? Am I behaving in the same manner? Or still I don't believe? If you don't believe, how can you rise? Believe means that you have seen something, you have known something which is tangible, you have got the experience of it, still you are not surrendered. If you surrender to the will of God, then everything is taken charge. It will never let you down, no question. And everything, all things which look like mountains of difficulties and obstructions, you will surpass just like an aeroplane goes over it. You won't have any problem whatsoever. So one thing, today I am very happy that this puja is done by the people from a country which is discipline is very important. That is Switzerland. But their discipline is for bad things, not for good. For example, they have a military. Who is going to go to that far-fetched place, to attack? No one. Why do they have military? And compulsory military, do you know that? Because they have looted other people's money and kept them there like thugs. So all that money is in their banks, and they are worried that any time you see any person can come up and demand the money and may start using the power of destruction on us. So because they are doing wrong, that's why they have a military. Out of fear, just out of fear. There is no need to have any military there. But everybody has to go to military and join the military because they are thieves of the worst type. Then secondly, they have also very much slavery of the watch, which human beings have made. God has not made. So the watch is important because they are making watches. If they are making watches and if they do not slave the watch, under the watches, who will buy their watches? They will say, what's the use of you all have watches and the way you are? So they are very disciplined. Not only